our weekly sales meeting every Tuesday from 12 to 1. We focus on our critical buyers and sellers. There's a lot of good news, like today, for example, one of our VIP home sellers clients in less than a week, we got over 13 offers and over $165,000 more money selling their home in January 2016. So it's because the implementation of our system, right? So to get the home sold in today's real estate market, we have 10 sales strategies. Even within our ARPIT system, there's 8 components within our ARPIT system. So there's 18 unique steps to get the home sold in today's real estate market. So once a week, everybody in our company get together, our inside sales team, our outside sales team, our admin staff team, our TC team, our marketing department, we all together to mastermind how to help our VIP sellers clients home get sold this week, right? So that's why we have a weekly mastermind to get the home sold this week. So the purpose of the sales mastermind is to go through a critical buyers and sellers, meaning for our VIP buyers clients, how can we show them homes every day, homes that match their criteria that's not available online. For example, new homes, new construction, for sale by owner, foreclosure. So there's a lot of homes that match their criteria. So once a week we mastermind, we help each other. We have over 3,000 sellers in waiting. And then on the seller side, we have over 30,000 buyers. So every week, once a week. So today especially, it's been awesome. A lot of great success stories. We always mastermind, not only solving problems, but we always mastermind how to help. All right, guys, so that's it for today. Make 2019 be your best year ever. By the way, if you've never been to our team, I'm sending you an invitation to stop by for a backstage tour. All you need to do, call 626-789-0159. Again, to set up a private backstage tour of our real estate sales team, call 626-789-0159, and we will show you step by step how our team system works. We'll make sure you feel right at home. Have a nice day.